Okay, now read out the high number 597. Yesterday I explained 596 and I gave what is dharana and gave you one practical session also, in which it was mentioned as this tattva dharana. And you did the Panchabhuta identification meditation, identifying earth with Muladhara, water, Swadhisthana, Agni, Manipura, air, and then Visuddhi space. Do you remember? The same thing is explained more in this hymn. The inner meaning of the hymn is the dharana. Dharana means meditation preparatory step I told you. Preparatory step told you. The dharana, the preparatory meditation stage will be successful if only you can transcend all tattvas. If only you transcend all tattvas. Yesterday, yes. But the basic of the tattvas, 5 elements first you did exercise yesterday. Then you have to transcend the 5 tanmatras. Then you have to transcend 4 andhakaranas. When you do these 3, naturally this dharana, preparatory meditation will come to you, and you can identify yourself with the Shiva. This is the inner meaning. So dharana, anybody cannot enter into dharana without transcending the tattvas. The dharana comes to a person when he transcends 5 elements, 5 tanmatras, 5 jnanendriyas, 5 karmendriyas, and 4 andhakaranas. Okay? 4 andhakaranas. When you transcend these tattvas, naturally the dharana, the preparatory meditation level 1 will come to you automatically. We go and directly sit silently, you may not get results. Okay, you can pass time, but the result comes only if you transcend the hurdles. Yesterday you transcend the hurdles as Panchabhuta. That's the first basic one. Now today I am going to give you practical of how to transcend the tanmatras. That is explained this song. Now after tanmatras, jnanendriyas and karmendriyas and what we call andhakaranas. Now today, part of the second tattva dharana, you are meditating on the tanmatras. What is tanmatra? Now you explain. I have explained it so many times. What is tanmatra?
The 5 senses?
No. The tanmatras are 5 qualities of the Panchabhutas. Qualities of Panchabhutas. That is the abstract qualities of Panchabhutas. These tanmatra you cannot touch and see. They are called abstract. You cannot see. For example, earth you can see, but the smell you cannot see and touch, but you can experience only. Earth you can see that it has a physical form, but the quality of the earth is smell that you cannot touch and see, only experience. That is called tanmatra. That is the abstract form of earth. Okay, abstract form of earth. In the same way, next Swadhisthana, water is Panchabhuta. It stands for taste. Taste also you can experience. You cannot touch and what we call you cannot properly explain outside also. You can say sweet only, but people in sweet also different types of sweets are there. When only experience, that can be experienced only. You may not give out, tell it outside in proper words. If you say sugar will be sweet, then they should have experienced sugar first, then only they will understand. You are telling a new thing means they may not receive. So knowledge comes by comparison. If you see, I could smell the smell of rose. The listener should have also already listened to, experience the smell of rose. Then only he will, okay. He will say okay. In the same way, the taste, that is the abstract quality of liquid. Abstract quality of liquid. Even if you put a solid sweet into your mouth, it will mix with the saliva liquid. Then only the taste will come out.
Yeah.
So only the way taste is associated with the liquid, because you can experience taste if only the saliva reacts with it and reports this to your brain. So that you are meditating today and yesterday you must meditated the bowl and the concrete thing put inside. Now you are meditating bowl with no physical form, only taste, smell, taste. Then what is that meditation form? Manipuraha, 10 petals, yellow color. What is the abstract quality? You are going to assign with that yellow color Manipuraha. What is the quality?
Light.
No. Here Agni has two forms. One light and heat. So here you ignore heat and you now consider light and shade. Light and shade. That is Ruba. Light and shade stands for Ruba. Why light and shade? I ask you to meditate on light and shade. When the light falls on opaque things, then what we call, it will resist the passage of light and causes a shadow. If only the object resists lights and sends the light back to your eyes, then only you can see.
Yeah.
The object of the sun ray falls on a matter at 45-degree angle, and this it reflects and reaches your eyes, then only you can see.
Yeah.
So here the quality assigned to Agni is Ruba. Ruba means that which blocks the path of light and reflects the light to your eyes. If only the reflected ray of light reaches your retina, then only we can see the shape of the thing. So Agni here stands for Ruba. You are meditating in the light and shade effect of that causes Ruba. And the bowl is bowl. Now what is the color of the bowl? Yellow. And it has 10 petals. What are the 10 petals?
I forget.
Agni. No. Agni kalas. 10 Agni principles. The name of the 10 Agni principles I think I have given you already in the previous classes. If you want, later on I will give you also. So by in Manipuraha you are meditating Ruba in the bowl called Manipuraha petals, yellow petal, 10 upward. Okay. Then in Anahada, what is the color and what are the number of petals?
It's green. And there are 16.
No. Anahada 12 only.
12.
You remember in the ascending order 10, 12, 16. 10,
Yeah.
12, 16. Okay, 4, 6, 10, 12, 16. After that 2. So there are 10 petals. What are the 12 petals? What do they represent? Sun principles. Sun principles. 12 sun principles. Yeah. 12 Surya Kalas. Okay, and 12 Rasis. They represent, and now you are associating with what quality? Air, what quality? Tactile sensation. Here tactile sensation is the quality, tanmatra of air. Okay. So we know what is tactile sensation, that you can experience. Okay. You remember the tactile sensation you had for the past 15, 20 days. That you will remember. That is a tactile sensation. Okay.
Yeah.
Imagine, meditate and transcend. Meditate and transcend. You have already transcended on 14th. Is it not? So transcending. Meditative identification meditation is to meditate and transcend. Meditate and transcend. All these you meditate and transcend. Then why you transcend? Then only transcendental meditation will come to you.
Yeah.
You know, do you remember when you hear transcendental meditation, the one person has made it worldwide famous. Who is that name of the person? Yogi?
Maharishi
Yes,
Mahesh
yes,
Yogi.
yes. Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. He has said a transcendental meditation. Meditation, all meditation are transcendental only. There is no need of adding one more adjective, transcendental. But to make the people doubly aware, he used a transcendental meditation. Any kind of meditation, even dharana, is to transcend. You meditate means stay on it for some time, then walk away from it. You stay, that is transcend. You remember that incident for some time, then you transcend. Okay, we can see it later. Okay. So in that purpose only dharana is to transcend identification. You identify with that thing for some time, then they transcend, throw it away. You drink a cup of tea in a paper cup. After drinking the cup, you throw away the paper cup. That is the transcendental meditation, tharana. Okay, then the next meditation is, what do you explain about number of petals and color of that adhara?
Is 16. Its element is space, and it's blue.
Color light sky blue. Okay, that is the color of the bowl. What is there in that space? Space, here you have to say the sound. In the space means sound. Space means sound. Here you should understand, it is not ordinary sound.
No.
It is not ordinary sound. Ordinary sound you hear is carried by wind.
Yeah.
But this sound is 100% present belongs to space.
Yeah.
So the sound produced outside the air column, sphere. So that sound is that is what we call, that is the real nadam.
Yeah.
So inaudible sound, inaudible sound, that is omkar. That is omkar. Because from space, there is no agent to take it to your ear.
Yeah.
So this is our paranadam. Parabindu, paranadam. Ordinary nadam, ordinary bindu, ordinary nadam. Ordinary bindu you can see with the naked eyes. Ordinary nadam you can hear with your ear because it is carried by wind, air. Parabindu, it is you cannot see with your eyes, naked eyes, you need a Kirlian camera. Paranada means you have to find out a new instrument. So far no scientist has invented that. You invented a machine to find out make the sound, space sound audible to human ear. This is a nadam. Shiva is beyond that. Shiva is, when you transcend this nadam, then only you will identify permanently with Shiva. I took you to Kala Bhairava Mandir, is not? And I asked the Pujari, Bhairava. Bhairava means bypass sound. Bypass?
Yeah.
Bypass? That is easy. See, Bhairava is the energy transcending that nada.
Yeah.
So, when you reach that, then only actual dharana will come. Otherwise, you can go to Ramana Ashram, sit there for 6 hours, you can do like this, and you do like this. That is not dharana. You take a sip of water, and I did meditation for 2 hours. Till they chased me out of this meditation call at 11:30, I was sitting there, drinking water, doing itching sensation, this one, and thinking of what is going on in the US. So, when only you transcend that inaudible nada, You can, that is, so you now transcended 5 elements yesterday, now you transcend Tanmatras. Then Jnanendriyas and all these things already you have done in the previous classes, you remember? Anyway,
Yes.
you can do it for one day, that one, and all these things, and we can go. So now you have completed one hymn, meaning, and the practical you have to do, I have explained. Is it not?